What is up, hackers? Welcome back to another episode of Hack Crypto. And this is a very special episode. We've passed 40,000 subscribers. And not only that, but I was included by CoinGape on the top 8 crypto YouTube channels to follow in 2023. Now, shout out to CoinGape for including me there. They've reached out and said, hey, we're including you on this list with some heavy hitters. Congratulations on hitting 40K. We wanted to include you. This feels amazing to not only pass that 40K mark that I've been shooting for the last year or so, but it feels great to be included in a heavy hitter list of crypto YouTubers. If you guys are brand new to Hack Crypto, welcome. Everybody here are hackers trying to hack their education in Web3. And this is very special for me, passing 40K. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys the top 8, the other 7 YouTubers that are included in the top ones to follow in 2023. I know about half of them. I've met half of them in person. And I think that it is a really fun list of crypto YouTubers. But I'm just honored and thankful for everyone that's watching this to finally be at 40K subscribers. It feels great. I've been in the space since January 2013. Was when I first did my first transaction with Bitcoin. And it has been a wild ride. Over 10 years in the space, making content for 7 or 8 now. And it's just been such a wild ride doing educational content. Started really with talking to my parents and the boomer generation about crypto and trying to get them into the space. And they said like, oh, it would be really helpful if there was some videos out there that weren't just talking about X11 coin and all these altcoin forks from Litecoin back in 2013, 2014. So I started the journey here on the channel, making videos about Bitcoin and just the basics. What's most important is that you keep going. And I'm really excited for this next cycle here. I'm excited to be above the 40K mark in this next cycle. Excited to be here with you guys, the viewers and the hackers out there that have been watching. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump onto the site here, show you guys the CoinGape list of the top 8 to follow in 2023. I'm going to link to everybody's channel below so you guys can go and subscribe to them as well and show them some love. But I'm truly honored and thank you so much for being a subscriber and hitting that notification bell on. So this next run is going to be insane. Definitely stick around for the next couple of years here because there's going to be a lot more content. I'm trying to up my production value and also just be more consistent at the once a week mark. I get a lot of comments in my DMs and everything about being more consistent, but ultimately I am the CEO of a startup, Sandstorm, so I need to focus on that as well. So it's a balancing act, figuring out where the balance is of making content, publishing it out on Hack Crypto here, partnering with awesome projects that want to be on the channel, and also running a company. And I think that there's a lot of entrepreneurs and YouTubers out there that can sympathize with this and understand this. So many people know that YouTube is ground zero for all of Web3. Basically, if you want to understand something, you want to learn something, you've heard something on Twitter or on Facebook, you go to YouTube to hear people talk about it. And these people usually have objective opinions. Many of them are biased. But ultimately, a lot of these on this list here are heavy hitters because they've been honest and transparent and they've gained a lot of credibility and influence when you're honest and when you just are real with your audience and you tell them, hey, this is what I think. And it just makes it way more authentic and way easier to subscribe and follow. First one is Coin Bureau, Mike Jenkins. He grew really, really quickly, came out of nowhere basically. And next one, BitBoy, Ben, close friend, been around for a long time in the space, have been on his show around the blockchain multiple times and love to see him on this list as well. Next up, we have Altcoin Daily. I've met the brothers, Aaron and Austin, multiple times at conferences all over the place, including Bitcoin Miami and Decentral and things like that. Benjamin Cohen, I think we've crossed paths at a conference before. Crypto R Us, I have never met Crypto R Us, but I am a subscriber. Great channel. Crypto Banter, I've ran, I think once at Bitcoin Miami in like 2017 or 2018. Once upon a time, long time ago. Ivan, never have met Ivan on tech. Here we are here, proudly covered as the Web3 gaming channel of 2021. And there is the author there. So really great list. I'm stoked to be included on this list, even though I'm the last one on here. I mean, just passing 40,000 subscribers, most of these people have over 500,000 subscribers and such a loyal community. So congratulations to you guys as the hackers out there watching Hack Crypto on a regular basis, supporting the channel and everything. To be included on a list like this is an honor. CoinGape gets like 1 million visitors a month, so they're a big publication, and I'm honored to be there. So congratulations to the community out there. I'm going to try and stay consistent as I can, passing this 40K mark. Also, congratulations on us making this list. This is a big milestone for the channel, being included with these other 7 heavy hitting channels like BitBoy, Altcoin Daily, Crypto ROS, Crypto Banter, Ivan, Coin Bureau, and some of these other ones. This is just a really great list. So that is it for this episode. Congratulations to everybody out there. I'm honored, and thank you so much for being subscribed, hitting 40K. And next up is 50K. We're going to get there slow and steady, staying consistent. And I will see you guys here on the next episode of Hack Crypto.